Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Gain Explains Mental Maths Tutorials.
Houston, we have a problem.
43 times 5.
Anyone? Anyone?
Whilst this might seem rather tricky at first, whenever you see that you are multiplying by 5, you should start celebrating. Because it gives you the opportunity to use a strategy I call TIMES-5-ING. It's useful whenever you multiply a number by 5, but with a little adaptation, can also be used when multiplying by 50 or even 500. Ironically, when TIMES-5-ING, you don't actually multiply by 5. Instead, you multiply by 10, which is a lot easier. Let me show you. 43 times 5. Let's substitute that 5 with a 10. 43 times 10 is easy. We just move each of the digits one place to the left. So 43 times 10 is 430. Of course, that's not the answer to our question. We've doubled what we were supposed to multiply 43 by. So we now need to half what we've currently got. Half of 430 is 215. So 43 times 5 is also 215. That was easy. And talking of easy, look how much easier these questions become when you use TIMES-5-ING. 78 times 5 is a little tricky, but 78 times 10 isn't, though remember to half this answer. 5 times 270 is tricky, but 10 times 270 isn't. 6.4 times 5 might give you a bit of a headache, but not if you change it to 6.4 times 10 and then half the answer. Let's use this same strategy for a bigger calculation. 68 times 50. When you spot that you're multiplying by 50, once again, you should start celebrating. Instead of multiplying by 50, we'll make it easier for ourselves by multiplying by 100. 68 times 100 just involves moving each digit 2 places to the left, which makes 6,800. Once again though, we've doubled what we need to multiply by, so we must remember to half this answer. Half of 6,800 is 3,400. So 68 times 50 is 3,400. Get into the habit of using TIMES-5-ING and you'll find multiplying by 5, 50 and 500 becomes easy peasy. Time to do some independent practice. Pause the video, pick your level, and start doing some mental maths magic.